Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Abril Medina Cruz and I'm going to be your teacher today. According to the reading methodological approaches, Unit 4, I'm going to give a sample class using the communicative language teaching method. For this session, my father and my husband are going to help me as students. And the main aim of this lesson for my students is to help them to be more able to use the form used to talk about past facts, past things that are not true anymore. Okay? So we are going to start, and I'm going to start showing you some pictures that we have here of some gadgets or devices from the past and others from the present. We have a telephone, as you can see. Can you please repeat? Telephone.
Telephone.
And smartphone.
Smartphone.
Okay, in the second image we have a carriage. Can you please repeat? Carriage.
Carriage.
And a very modern car.
Car.
Excellent. Then you can see a big and old television. Television. Can you please repeat?
Television.
And a very modern and light smart TV.
Smart TV.
Excellent. Then we have a pen that, for example, Shakespeare used to use. An ink pen. Can you please repeat?
Pen.
Ink pen.
Pen.
And a modern pen. Pen.
Pen.
Excellent. And I want to show you that I made you a timeline with some pictures related with the present, the past, and maybe the future. Okay? We have some boats in the past. We used to travel on it. Nowadays we travel by plane, and maybe in the future we can travel to the moon. Do you agree? Yes? Excellent.
Yes.
Very good. So we are going to start with a brief reading that I have prepared for you. Okay? You have some items here, and I want to ask you, what do you think you can find in each section of this reading? Can you please mention one item?
Airplane.
Airplanes, okay. Please, that.
What?
Can you please mention what you think you can find in each section?
You can find. But what can find? What kind of?
One of these items. What can you find? What do you think you are going to read about it?
All right. Telecommunication.
Okay, perfect. So you are going to have 2 minutes to read these paragraphs in silence. In a minute you are going to tell me which item goes with each paragraph. Okay? So please go ahead. Here you have another bit. Ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, Hector, can you please tell me about letter A? Letter A talks about
The car.
letter A.
Airplane.
Airplanes, yes. Dad, please, letter B.
Letter B is bestsellers.
Okay, excellent. Hector, please, letter C.
Telecommunication.
Very good. Letter D, please, Dad.
Entertainment.
Excellent. And the last one, please, Hector.
The cars.
Excellent.
Cars.
So now you are going to reread the text and you are going to highlight all the structures that talks about used to. Okay? Underline all the expressions with used to. In the reading, you are going to underline all the expressions
All right, you're right.
with used to.
Okay.
As you wish. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hector, can you please mention one sentence in the reading with used to?
People didn't know used to travel very much.
Excellent. People
Did not used to travel very much.
Excellent. In this sentence, we have a subject, right? The subject is people, the person, or people in general. Then we have the auxiliary, did, because we are talking about what? Present, future, or past?
Past.
Past. Hector, can you please show in the timeline what tense we are talking about? Excellent. And we have the negative form, so we have auxiliary plus negative form. Then we have the modal verb used to, and the verb with infinitive form plus our complement. Right?
Yes.
Subject, auxiliary did to talk about past plus the negative form, modal verb used to, our verb with infinitive form, and the complement. Excellent. Dad, can you please give another example in the reading?
For long journeys, people used to go by boat, and trips used to take months.
People used to go
By what?
by boat. This is a positive sentence, right? This was negative, this is a positive. Once again, we have people as the subject. We have our modal verb used to, our verb with infinitive or in infinitive form, and the complement of the sentence. Yes? Person or subject, modal verb, infinitive form, and complement. Do you agree?
Yes.
Perfect. So we are going to check if you understood. We have this exercise. You are going to answer and complete these sentences with used to or didn't used to according to the information that you have in the reading. Okay? I'm going to help you if you need. And of course, I was forgetting. In the letter E, you have to write a sample sentence of your own about used to. Ready?
Yes.
This with the reading. example from the reading if you want to. To be. Very good. Ready?
You're right. Yes, yes.
Okay. Dad, can you please give me the first answer? Can you please read the sentence with the answer?
Cars used to need a man with a red flag, but they don't anymore.
Excellent. Do you have the same? Okay, letter B, please, Hector.
People didn't used to travel very much. Much they don't know.
Excellent. Do you have the same? Yes. Letter C, please, Dad.
Trips used to take months, but they don't anymore.
Okay. Hector, letter D.
People used to go to their neighbors' house to watch important events, but they don't anymore.
Okay. In the letter E, can you please give a sample sentence of your own?
I used to go to travel to San Juan.
Okay. Hector, can you please give your sample sentence?
I used to be very fast and the soccer.
Okay. I used to be very fast in the soccer. Very good. So now we are going to play a little game. You are going to write 4 sentences in this blank space about games that you used to play. I used to play with, for example, I used to play Doña Blanca. So you are going to write 4 sentences and then you are going to share with us. Ready? You
Yes.
have 1 minute to do it.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
You can write positive or negative sentences. Ready?
A minute, teacher.
Okay. Very good. Dad, can you please share your first sentence?
I used to go to school.
Okay, excellent. A very good sentence. Hector, can you please share one?
I used to play soccer.
Okay, Dad, please.
I used to read the Iliad. The Iliad.
Hector.
I used to play video games.
Okay, Dad, please.
I used to eat apples.
Great. Hector.
I used to play with cars.
Very good. Dad.
I used to run at the stadium.
Excellent. Hector.
I used to play with my brother for hours.
Excellent. Very good. Very well done. Then you have the exercise 4. You are going to answer some questions related with the past. Then we are going to compare answers. The first question is, where did people chat with their friends? I mean, before we have WhatsApp or Messenger or all this technology. Go ahead. You are going to have 1 minute to answer. We are going to change the dynamic. Hector, can you please read the first question and answer with the one that you think? Read the sentence or read the question. Where did people?
Where did people chat with their friends?
Your answer?
People used to meet in public space.
Okay, very good. That can
They
you?
used to talk at restaurants.
Very good. Excellent. Letter B, Hector.
What was the problem with the telephone? Telephone used to be very expensive.
What do you have? What do you think?
About the people is the next. They thought that the people on the phone were talking to themselves.
Okay. Letter question number C. Can you please read it?
Where did people use encyclopedias? At the library. In the
Okay.
library.
What do you have?
People used to go to the library or school to use an encyclopedia.
Great. Letter D, please. That's the question.
How did people correct mistakes in their homework? The people used to do all homework.
Okay. Hector.
The people used to correct mistakes, write liquid paper, or they used to repeat the homework.
Okay. The most common. The people used to repeat all the homework to avoid mistakes.
Repeat.
Very, very good. To finish this brief class, we are going to have a space of speaking. Okay? You are going to have 2 minutes to prepare your speaking. You will have 1 minute to talk about important changes in your life, things, habits, or facts about your past, obviously, and that they are not true anymore or nowadays. You can write some sample sentences to help you in your speaking. So go ahead, you are going to have 2 minutes to prepare your speaking. Ready?
Yes, yes.
Hector?
Yes.
Okay, Dad, can you please share your speaking? Please?
Actually, I do exercise.
Okay, actually you do exercise. What else?
Mm,
Remember you have to use
Swimming.
used to.
Swimming.
Okay, but you have to talk about your past. I used to.
I used to. I used to eat very much.
Okay. Hector, can you please share us your speaking? Pay attention on this.
When I used to be a child, my father used to give my money every Sunday. The candies used to be cheaper than nowadays. I used to meet my friends to play soccer for hours, but now I have lots of work and I feel tired and the end of the day.
Very good.
I didn't used to eat very healthy, but now I don't eat because I have to be healthy.
Excellent. Very good. Good effort, Hector. Excellent. You have to continue working with your speaking, but you did it very, very well. Do you have anything else to add about your past, about some things that you used to do, some habits that you used to have?
No, teacher, because I still to do in the present the exercise. In the present, I do it.
Excellent. Okay. Very good. But we can say that you used to be young.
Yes, yes, yes,
The
yes.
age is different. Okay. The music is different also. What else is different? What can you say about? Anything else that is different? Maybe not in your life, but around the world?
Mm, I thought the music players
Okay. Yes.
are changing in the present. In the past were more rustics, I think.
Okay, great. Hector, anything else that you want to add? Something that have changed during the years?
Technology.
Excellent.
Um, the money.
Okay. The way we exchange the money, yes, electronic.
And the people.
Okay. Excellent. Okay, guys, thank you very much for this class, for your attention. I hope I have helped you, and see you for the next session. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, teacher.